Good morning.
Hey guys,
Hey, how are you?
I tell my sister locked me my girl at night.
What happened last night?
My girl locked me.
Your girl locked you? What?
No. Yeah, one. They once locked me. Tell my little girl.
Because you're a little girl? Huh. Okay.
But
Well, did you sleep good?
my little girl is bigger.
You're a little girl and a big girl?
Do my bigger and little girl.
Oh.
Bigger, bigger, you're bigger.
Oh.
And you're big boy.
Is Bubba a big boy? Good morning. Good morning, Pumpkin. How are you? Thank you so much. Who's under there? Boo! Boo! Did snow. You're right. But we can't go out in the snow until much later because it's very, 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 very cold. We have to wait a little bit because it's 14 degrees.
Look, y'all want to see it? Ta-da!
Not as much as last time, but it still snowed. Sure did. Of course you can see.
Snow.
Yeah.
Snow.
Some snow.
We go up there.
Mm-hmm.
Snow.
It's really cold this morning.
Snow up there.
Yeah.
No snow.
There's not much snow. There's a lot. There's
The
still a lot.
sun's out still. Thought it wouldn't be.
My
Sun's out, but it's really cold. Just because the sun's out doesn't mean it's not cold.
And it's not gonna melt.
It's not going to melt because it's too cold.
Why?
All right, let's get up.